Hello friends, today I'm going to show you a really simple and fast repair on this lens. It is a Nikkor 70-210mm. It is not the best lens out there, but it is cheap and produce good results. So our problem today is that this lens has some particles of dust. Not a lot, but still a bit annoying. And then the repair is so easy that we cannot just live with that dust, knowing that can be easily removed. So how it goes? So we have this thing here, and then we have these two apertures here, and then what I noticed before it was that there was a small drop of glue here. So what I did, it was I came and then I dropped a bit of isopropyl alcohol all around the rim here, and then let it sit like for 5 minutes, and then I came with my compass here. You can use a compass or a spanner, it's the same thing. And then I came and I didn't let a lot of force, so it was like this, and then I just force a bit, and then it started twisting. So with that you can just keep the compass steady and then rotate. And here we are. Okay, so we have access this region, which is where the dust is. So I see already one speck here. And then that's all. You can proceed to rebuild the lens. So that's it. You saw it is extremely simple to get this lens clean, and then it is usually found in a lot of places like for $20-30 because it is full of dust. So this is all I wanted to show you today. Thanks for watching and see you next time.